Hello friend, is the first item my programming is how to find an even or odd if is given inputs. We're taking the each number is odd or even, so we're taking a write up programs or some basic programs. So first we created a class like Java. So class name should be always as a capital. So even or odd. So class name always in capital. So you know the first is capitals, then below rest is the smalls, and the another first word is small capitals, and another one is not taking as main methods. So to create a main methods, this can steps to create a main methods. Now finish. Let's create a first methods. Now we're taking a quick so control D. Yeah, all the things will be derivatives. Now first thing is to write a scanner. I say equal to new scanner. So taking as a system in. Anything we can take from the systems. So we can use a scanner class. Now we're taking a checking as a is number is even or odd. So we're taking as a input and equal to c dot next int. Int is the integer type. So the next method name is int method name should be instead of nations. Now check the number is even or odd, so going for if else condition. First if else condition, then we can go either father's language. Another father's methods. First if ends n is not less by 2 is equal to 0. Then we go for the output is n is even. So even is in a string, so we can recognize inputs as a string. Uh, Now second one's going for else condition. If it not, then go for is odd. So we can include as a is out as and is odd. Now when run the programs, what will the output? You can see first save the program. Now go for run method run and even on it. So the first method you can run. Now taken the input size of 5. So you're taking odd number. Okay, good. Now again we save. And now again we run the program. So now taking as 8. So 8 is given number. Okay, good. Now we can check another methods of what we can take. So another better method we can create as a probably static. And static for giving you same class of statics. As return type should be what? So return type should be is a void. We can print so void and the method name so with the numbers or odd numbers. So we can give another method. So another method for calculating is number is even using without using modulus. So we can go for another things like we can take as even or even odd. So method names should always starting with capitals. So even odd first one. Now taking as the parameters like a method is taking input and so we can check is the even or odd. No. So we can go for another condition if x is multiplying with x is divided by 2 and multiplying with same digit. Same digit is if is same is equal to x or a number n, then if n is equal to n, we go for When we go for even numbers, if I can also we have the same line, so we can start copy the sentence numbers. Else we can write uh, the same line, so we copy again and then copy and paste it off. Now we can check the second program is running good or not. So we can take send the run the programs. No, no. First things we can call the programs, then it's check whether it's running or not. So we can take check is even and the odd one. Then taking as inputs like taking the six. So we can run the programs. So same things, but change the methods should be some methods and then here then so what will be the error is going on? So you can change the nodes, the scores, we taken as some things. Now we can control the we can comment out and check the another program is full or not. Control save as then we can check the program so save event. Now the second method is completed. Now check another way how to create another methods to find the even or not. So we can go for another even or method. So we can create another same things but different method names. So we can create another method names like this. We can write here for this two. Input and will the same things, not even as another. Now we can use switch cases. You know about a switch? If you take any words and simply write a control into a space, then switch case will be like starters and the switch and the key and the value and the types. Everything comes, but I don't need these things. So we can go for a switch symbols, switch statement case, and then this key value and the by default. Okay. So key switch uses so the value is a modular 1 for 2 and the value is case 0. In the case is state 0, then we write simply we write even 2 and distance and then base and then case 1. Again we can go for default or case 1. But we go for okay, this sentence equals got it. Okay, case something in case 0, then we go for case 1, case 1 and those things. You can also use the as an is or simply if your output should be these things, we can simply go for these things. Simply if n is modulus, if it's become 0, then it's go for 0 case and it's 1, then it's go on and it's just. Now we can check as second number, like second numbers. We can take checking the same things, but different output, different inputs. So the second maintenance is 2. Now we can take another as 9. So check whether it's coming or not. So again we run the program. This something different, so we don't input in and then we will run the programs. And that's and 9 is out, it's 1, 6 is even. So the two methods we can first. Now another one method we can write. So the another methods you can take is same things. You can change the method names, and here we can take size even out the method name is three, and the same input taken is the into arguments you can size, and where in here we can use a strings, and there will be strings name we can name, and is includes taking as input, so n we can also n modulus 5 2 is equal to 0. Then we can go for conditional statements. If it's true, then go for first statement. If it's false, going for second statement. These things. Then we go for statement conditions either given as even or odd. So these things we can take in. There are strings with the shapes, and simply we are print as out, or we can copy here from these things to see and compare it. Where we can take also as a given or odd. Simply we can take as main, which is now it's working or now I don't know. But we can go for another methods names, the same things. Now taking as a control C, control V. The method names will be the third, and take another input as what you take also 20. So this would not control save and then the run the programs. So if there are 24 events, then three way we can write even or odd the programs. It's simply this. You can change all the methods names and the condition for the right. Now taking another way to create the programs. So another way to another form of how to find is even or odd numbers. So you can change it. So another way now the fourth methods we can take as fourth methods. Let's take same method names with different arguments with overriding concept. We are loading concepts. Recognizing another method names with these, and where we can take such as strings, array, strings name, and we simply we recognize even, and the second one is odd. You know what? I will take those things. The zero positions known as even and the first position in odd. If the number is divisible by 2 is equal to the 0, or so it takes as even. Out is 1, then it's go for odd. So simply sys out, sorry, sys out. Then we take in as a number, so the number is n, not even as a number. Is given as a not even as a simply n by 2 is taken as problems to know T or maybe no systems working. I take another example shares metaphor method is this for method is this for method. Now take another input as a 51. Now if it's odd then put the odds, then the method is odd. We say went on the prompts. Finding the exception. Add out a bond exception. Students the bond exception. So is method names for the bond is the four programs is 51 taking 51 techniques. Even out if zero and one's conditions and 51 is the and inverted 50 and inverted is not the zero to might not is modulus. Now we can check again on the number ones. So we check the odd. is modeless, not for individuals. Is modeless. Modeless means simply you can check here as 5 modulus by 4 equal to 1 and 51 mod and 4 modulus 3 is also equal to 1, but if the 3 if 5 if same constraints modulus by anything is like 18 modulus by 10 so it becomes 1 8 same thing. Oh no, it's becomes 8 the last numbers. So this thing and how many numbers are needed to be increased. Three way we can check the number is in the 4 or 5 way you can check the number is odd or even. So the programs. Thanks for today's and next day we can do another programs. Thank you.